Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and if you need some laughs in your life, then these shark costumes are it. I love that it comes in a pack of two. Shark shenanigans are always better in pairs, double the fun. They're easy to put on. The elastic on the ankles, I think, is a really nice feature. That way you can wear your own shoes, especially if you plan to wear them outside. My sister-in-law was super excited to try on the pink costume, and it was so funny to watch them together. I had such a hard time keeping my camera still because of laughing so hard, especially their waddle walk. The blowers are easy to install, and the clip makes it convenient to carry the battery pack around. It doesn't take long at all to inflate. My husband is 6'2", and he had no issues with trying this on. It wasn't too short. The window that you see out of is the mouth of the shark. It can give the illusion that maybe you've been eaten by the shark itself, but these sharks are way too cute for that. You do have to be careful because the material is thinner, but roller coasters were no problem for this pink shark. So if you're looking for something to wear to your next party, or maybe you just have a teen that needs to be reminded of how super cool you really are, well then these shark costumes are it. And that's my point of view.